bounce with me, bounce with me. I'm gonna hit the floor, bounce with me, bounce with me.
Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody lose. Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest.
Hey honey bunches, it's Kentha. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How's everything going, boo? What it do? So today, first of all, let's start out by saying Happy New Year. Yes, we have finally pulled on up in the drop top Benz to 2023. It's what I need. It's what I need. 2023. It's what I need. I'm very, very excited about the new year. My new year has been going great. And I just want to continue that off by bringing you guys some great content. So today, I'm changing up my hair a little bit. Kind of want to revamp some stuff, get some new pictures out, change some stuff on my YouTube channel. I am wearing my Asyah Boutique's 30-inch deep curly hair right now. And I usually wear it curly because it just works that way very well. But I kind of want to try something different. Maybe throw some Flexi Rods in and kind of get that big hair, that big scissor hair type of vibe is really what I'm going for. So I decided, why not take you guys with me, right? Like, come on, we family, right? Okay, cool. So right now I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I haven't put any products in it at all. I did kind of finger comb through it a little bit just to make sure it wasn't any tangles or anything like that, but it doesn't give me any tangles, so I don't even know why I did that. And I want to blow dry it out just a little bit because I want to see really, really big, like I want really, really, really big curls. So let's get it popping. Like, let's mix some stuff up. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in and re-wet my hair a little bit. I personally feel like a blow dry is better on kind of damp hair, so I'm gonna put just a little bit of water in it just to get it re-damp, so that when I blow dry it, it really just, you know, it's gonna get silk.
It's pitiful that when I'm with them other I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that
so we got it at a good amount of wetness right now. Now I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant. Okay, I'm going a little bit of my Fantasia heat protectant, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Make sure we get those in.
Me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is our Bio Silk because I don't want it to be too frizzy, but just a little bit. I would go a little OD if I was attempting to straighten it, but because I only want a nice blow dry, I'm only gonna put just a little bit, and that's gonna be enough for the whole head. Sis, I know you're like, no, it's not. Yes, it is. I promise you. If you know Bio Silk, you know this is enough. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. Curly hair does dry quick, so as soon as you get your products in, girl, blow dry it. Alrighty, so we're all blow dried out. I got those waves out, which was the main thing that I wanted to do. Hold on, because that was hard. That took a minute. Okay. Alright, so now, I wanted to do the Flexi Rods, but I don't want to go through like the whole wet thing and then it kind of starts going back to the deep wave pattern. No. So what we're going to do is we're going to curl it and then Flexi Rod it. So this is my handy dandy curling iron. Now I'm gonna be real, I don't know the inches or none of that because I stole this from my mama. So look at it. Boom. And your girl get big hot. You understand me? Big hot. It's kind of smoky. Alright, so before we go in with our Big Mama curling iron, I'm going to go in with my Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. Yep, I read it before I said it so that I wouldn't stumble. Just a little bit, not too much. Not too much. Not too much. So, oh, it smells so good. Argan Oil reminds me of high school. I was in school when the girlies was just starting to get their Indian bundles and we was getting them from the Biggest Five store, and everybody was just so excited because they was like curling up when you get wet. And I mean, argan oil, we was basically bathing in it. Like, every girl in the hallway at high school smelled like argan oil. You walk by them, argan oil. Your clothes, argan oil. And I ain't gonna cap, it smells amazing. I love the way it smells. It's so nostalgic, hence why I'm probably still rubbing it in. I'ma curl it, then I'ma flexi rod it. I don't have no rhyme or reason to the sizes. I'ma just do what works, okay? So I'm watching Wednesday. You watching me. You watch me do my hair and watch Wednesday. Cool? Cool.
With them pictures, you could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. This shit right now. Too busy for this shit right now. Don't wanna talk about this shit right now.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I have all my Flexi Rods in. I did all of my curls. I'm going to put my bonnet on, take off this makeup, and go to sleep. I'm going to sleep in this overnight, and then tomorrow after I do my makeup, we'll come back and we'll take it off together. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Night night. All right. Hey y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so listen, I'm just going to start off with, today has been a day. Today has been a day for me. I almost didn't record this video. It is nighttime. I wanted to do this in the morning, but I decided to go ahead and do it because it is 2023, and 2023, I want to be way more intentional about it being about me and my goals and the things that I need to get done and accomplish for myself, for my own sanity, for my livelihood, for my life, you know? I decided that we're gonna keep it up with it being about me, with it being about my channel, with it being about us, and we're gonna get this video done, okay? So I put myself together. You know how cute? Okay. And let's get it popping. So y'all ready to take these out? It's like late, so they've been in for a minute. I'm a little scared. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unravel. Okay, curls. Look at that curl. That's so pretty. I feel like doing it this way kind of helps my curls stay bouncy and together. So, oh my goodness. I just felt like doing it this way was going to give me the best outcome for what was in my head, you know? Bounce with me, bounce with me, I'm gonna hit the floor. Bounce with me, bounce with me, so cut that. You get it crunk when you bounce with me, bounce with me. That tequila is starting to kick in. All I wanna do is see you bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Let's get some oil. Start working these products in. I got some oil.
It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me. You feel me?
This is how we're looking with everything out. Now, I'm gonna say one thing I need to do. I definitely need to go in and flatten my top a little bit. I just wanna just loosen them out just a little bit. I'm gonna run my hands through them slowly. Oh, look at the body. Okay, I kind of like how that looks, just like that. Okay, so let's kind of rub it, and then I'll like only take my fingers through it slightly, because I love the curl. Whew. Look how pretty. So pretty. And that's why I make sure I blow dry it out. So you see all that body? That's because it was no water. It was just heat. Heat in the Flexi Rod. Ooh. Somebody's gonna have to like FaceTime me tonight. Like somebody gotta see me. I wish it's cold outside. That's why I said FaceTime me, because who's going out? But somebody gotta see me like this. Somebody need to come pick me and take me on a date like this. Cause this is giving. Hold on, and it's still back. I cracked the code. I cracked the code. I cracked the code with this one. Cause it's still giving bouncy. Out the back. Oh, went it back. Wow. The fact that nobody is not trying to take me out right now and spend $1 million on me is crazy. Crazy. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to get this back in motion right here. Put these two back down first. So I got my hot comb. Keep that away from my face. And I got my wax stick. So I'll put this like this. Right there on it. Make sure I kind of rub it in a little bit. Hit that little alfalfa. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit this part too, because I know. It's like I know how I'm going to lay it down, or where I'm going to lay it down at. So right here, right there, and a little bit up here for the body, okay? So remember from last video, we learned the teeth to just give it a little bit more body, but the back is what's going to flatten it down. So I'm going to use the teeth because I still want it to be a little flat because it is giving Humpty Dumpty. So teeth first, but I don't want to get rid of my curls. I'm not going to go down. And then, oops, don't play with me. And then we're going to swoop that down right there. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. I do want to go with my shining mist because I feel like it's getting a little dull looking. And I want it to be shiny, so go in and tame it. Perfect. See how I just tamed that down right there? And then look at that. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the final look. How do you like it, guys? I'm so in love. I love these big bouncy curls that I got with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this just as much as I did, because this is a look for me. I'm all about versatility. Get more bang for your coin. You get me, sis? So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think. And as always, I love you, honey bunches. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.
Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush it.